Why you guys telling me? It's the boy Fedwoods back on the video. As you can see from the thumbnail and title, today I'm gonna be reacting to something different. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Why am I not reacting to drill? Well, let me tell you something. So, for the people who don't know, there's this YouTuber called iShowSpeed. I mean, you should know who he is, but for the people who don't, yeah, there's this guy called iShowSpeed. He's American and he does like funny stuff in it. But recently he made like a video of him lighting a firework in his house, and let's just say things didn't go well. So yeah. So I thought I'll just react to this because obviously I have seen the video in it, so I know what it's about. I know what happens, but I just thought, why not react to it? Because it'd be funny, innit? Like, it'll be funny, like. But yeah. If you do enjoy today's video, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it, and yeah, let's get into it.
First one, oh! That's like the Pikachu one, y'all. That's like the Pikachu one, y'all. I don't think it's gonna be that loud, personally. Oh shit. Oh yeah. I don't think it's gonna be that loud, y'all. Damn, where the hell my lighter go? Where's my lighter? Where did I put my lighter at? Oh. Where did I put it? Oh, here we go, right here. Alright! Pikachu!
Yo. It's hard. Bro, listen. How can you be so stupid? How? Like, bro, I understand you've got some type of problem. Like, well, you must, but no, I'm sorry, but you can't be that stupid. How are you trying to light a firework in your house? Like, how, bro? Like, I'm sorry, but this guy knew what he was doing. Like, Speed, you knew what you were doing. I'm sorry, like, this ain't even a joke. Like, you knew what you were doing at this point. Like, man said he's lighting a firework in his house. Oh, nah, bro. Oh shit!
Oh shit! Mom! Oh my god, Mom! Oh my goodness! No! It's not! I didn't know!
I'm sorry, but I can't take this guy serious. Like, I can't. Like, I understand he does some stupid stuff, but like I said, this ain't a joke. Like, this, nah, he knew what he was doing. Like, he honestly knew what he was doing. Like, he knew. I'm sorry, but he knew. Oh.
I thought stop. I didn't know. I thought it was the popping ones, Mom.
How can man say he didn't know? What do you mean you didn't know? Of course you knew about you didn't know. Nah, bro, you can't say that, bro. About you didn't know. Of course, nah, G. I'm sorry, but you knew. You honestly knew because you're not stupid. Come on now. Oh, okay, so
What happened? A firework went off? Yeah, a firework went off, then it just like went boom. Like, I don't know. Like, it just started going. Look, it's like black stuff in the air right now. Yeah. You don't have anything? That's it. It just went out. Yeah. Make it for us in the first truck? Yeah, that'll work. You want me to get her? You got it? No.
Engine 51. You can go ahead and make this for engine 51 in the first truck.
Traction clear on the can handle for engine 51 and truck 2. Wall wheeling.
I don't get it. Like, what are these 5 people doing? Like, they're not doing nothing. Like, I mean, the house didn't burn, so like, what are they doing? They're just standing there, like, cause they're not even doing nothing. Like, bro, like, okay. Yo, I can't lie. Speed, you are stupid. That's all I have to say. You are stupid. Why would you try light a firework in your house? Just why? Like, I'm sorry, but you're stupid. Like, come on now. Like, a normal person wouldn't think to do that. Like, if you're gonna light a firework, do it outside, not in your house. I'm sorry, but you are stupid. Like, no, that was not even a joke. Like, that was just dumb. Like, I'm sorry, but you were dumb for that. Like, your house could have got burnt down. Like, feeling like it could. That was just the wrong move. But yeah, like, if you did enjoy today's video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, comment down below what other type of videos you want to see, because like you saw today, this weren't a drill reaction. So comment down what other videos you want to see. And without further ado, I've been your boy Edwards. I'm out. Peace.
It's LOB, it's LOB. It's LOB, it's LOB.